The X-47B is a tailless, strike fighter-sized unmanned aircraft developed by Northrop Grumman as part of the U.S. Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System carrier demonstration program. The X-47B UCAS is designed to help the Navy explore the future of unmanned carrier aviation. The successful flight test program is setting the stage for the development of a more permanent, carrier-based fleet of unmanned aircraft. Under a contract awarded in 2007, the company designed, produced, and is currently flight testing two X-47B aircraft. In 2013, these aircraft were used to demonstrate the first-ever carrier-based launches and recoveries by irrelevant, low-observable, unmanned autonomous aircraft. In April 2015, the X-47B once again made aviation history by successfully conducting the first-ever autonomous aerial refueling of an unmanned aircraft. AAR unlocks the full potential of what unmanned surveillance, strike, and reconnaissance systems can do in support of the Navy. These historic demonstrations solidify the concept of future unmanned aircraft and prove that the X-47B can perform standard missions like aerial refueling and operate seamlessly with manned aircraft as part of the carrier air wing. The aircraft performed a successful initial test flight at Patuxent River, Maryland, U.S., in July 2012. The X-47B aircraft were integrated into the U.S. Navy's carrier operations alongside manned aircraft in August 2014. The aircraft's primary test program was completed in May 2015. The unmanned aircraft was first developed as part of the X-47 program. The airworthiness of the X-47B Unmanned Combat Air System demonstrator was developed at an estimated cost of $813 million.